KXY4 update now on an FBI investigation into an alleged nationwide commercial driver's license scam. That scam was based right here in Spokane. Tonight, the investigation has been tossed out of court. A federal judge dismissed charges against the 6 men involved earlier this week. KXY4's Eric Loney is live tonight with why the case was kicked out. Eric?
Yeah, well, those men were charged with mail fraud, and this week, federal court judge Edward Shea decided that the criteria for that crime just wasn't met, so he decided to toss out the charges. Now, federal and state investigators busted the alleged scam back in January. FBI agents raided Brano Milivanovic's West Spokane home. They alleged he helped Bosnian-speaking men from around the country fly to Spokane and cheat to get their commercial driver's licenses. Court documents say they paid him to be their interpreter on the test, and he would help them cheat. And then a friend of his would pass them on the driven portion on the test, and sometimes the men never even got behind the wheel. Now, prosecutors believe at least 100 men received these fraudulently obtained licenses to drive semi-trucks and school buses in Washington state. Judge Shea ruled that the charge to fit, the suspects needed to be state employees and there needed to be a victim, but in this case, neither was true.
Very few cases are won in federal court, and very few are dismissed at this level. So we're very surprised. It's unfortunate because my client has suffered incredible financial hardship. He's from Chicago. He's lost his home, and he's under federal indictment to be kicked out of the country. But at this point, he gets to stay here, and he's happy with it.
Now, federal prosecutors are deciding if they will appeal the judge's ruling or if they will try to find new charges that fit the crime and refile against those men. Now, as a result of this investigation, the state did close some loopholes that allowed this scheme to happen. One of the largest was the fact that you can no longer bring your own interpreter to the written test. Reporting live, Eric Loney, KXY4 HD News.